Alright, y'all, I'm not sure if you know, if you've been following, uh, we had our greenhouse built, and then a storm came through and ripped it to pieces and tore all the metal. So the message of this video is when you get knocked down, you gotta get back up. So, our greenhouse got tore to pieces, but we decided to rebuild it instead of giving up on the garden project. We decided to keep going. Alright, as you guys can see, we resurrected the greenhouse. Now this time we got 50-pound bags of sand. Got 8 of them. Probably going to end up getting more, but we're hoping that this will do its job. You can see here what the plan was, to basically use scrap metal as scabs, like you would scab a 2x4 or a floor joist. And don't worry, the scarecrow will be resurrected as well. We have to have him. Alrighty.